But very fast, I will. Okay. Where's my sister? Hi. Just listen to that. And it was thundering. Hi. It was very thundering. And my sister, if you heard, she wanted me to show you. And my sister said she wants to do a tutorial about how to make one of these.
Shake it.
That looks really... No, let me go behind and do it. That looks really weird.
Did you see that again?
We just eat it. Joe.
You dab so bad.
Right, ready?
You should dab.
Did you know something?
And yes, I know. And if you want to know when I do videos or whatever, I do them on Sundays.
Do you actually?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going on Sundays?
I do a gaming, play games first. That's my first video when I put on my YouTube because I did do one today.
Guys,
And this
it smells so good.
is the smell it. You guys smell it. Smell.
Where is it?
It smells so good, doesn't it? And you guys, you people, or whatever. I don't know what I'm saying.
Oh.
Just look in that thing.
Well, we can't
Now you put in hot water in there.
put my hot water next. I'm hot, you know. I'm very hot myself. Like, whoo. Every boy thinks I'm really fit and sexy because I'm hot like a pop noodle.
Just to tell you, this is going to be on going on the real
You
YouTube.
say it's going to be reported. I'm like, whoa, Jack, it's going to be reported.
And that looks like sick.
Mix it and blend it.
Smell it. These people smell it. It smells so bad.
Yeah.
Oh
You
my
can't
god.
smell it, mate, because they're in the
Yeah,
camera.
you can.
Now you put that on top of it.
Because I'm pregnant.
So I do a gaming channel. I do a play games first and put on YouTube.
No, man.
But then I wait for more minutes. Then I do